Stock Market News brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia Limited.
My name is Tiwonge Banda from Stockbrokers Zambia Limited, and I'm pleased to present to you the weekly stock exchange news and market update for the week ended Friday, 19th September 2025. In the trading week ended 19th September 2025, the LuSE index closed at 25,133 points. On a year-to-date basis, the LuSE index is up 59.23% in kwacha terms and up 87.91% in USD terms. In comparison with other African stock markets, the South African JSE All-Share index is up 4.23%, whilst the Nairobi All-Share index is up 5.22%. Gainers and losers in the week ended 19th September 2025. On gainers, Zambia Sugar gained 4 kwacha to close at 56 kwacha. Zamefa gained 15 kwacha, 95 ingwe to close at 53 kwacha, 45 ingwe. Zambif gained 17 ingwe to close at 1 kwacha, 50 ingwe. ZCCMIH gained 3 kwacha to close at 156 kwacha. AECI gained 25 kwacha to close at 100 kwacha. Bata gained 10 ingwe to close at 6 kwacha, 20 ingwe. BATZ gained 1 kwacha, 50 ingwe to close at 16 kwacha. Shilanga gained 94 ingwe to close at 30 kwacha, 94 ingwe. Zambu gained 75 ingwe to close at 6 kwacha, 90 ingwe. Airtel lost 3 kwacha, 5 ingwe to close at 139 kwacha, 95 ingwe. CEC lost 23 ingwe to close at 25 kwacha, 72 ingwe. Puma lost 1 ingwe to close at 4 kwacha, 54 ingwe. Standard Chartered Bank lost 5 ingwe to close at 2 kwacha, 65 ingwe. And Zafico lost 4 ingwe to close at 3 kwacha, 51 ingwe. Turnover and market activity. Total trading turnover on the LuSE in the week was 48,784,776 kwacha, of which Chilanga contributed 90%, and the market recorded a total of 1,757 trades in the week under review.
Investors Diary. The Stock Market Investors Diary is brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia. Cautionary announcements.
The following companies have issued cautionary announcements: Madison Financial Services, CEC Africa, ZCCMIH, Zambif, CEC PLC, and Standard Chartered. For details of these cautionary announcements, please refer to the Stockbrokers Zambia Limited website at www.spz.com.zm. Other market announcements. The following companies have issued market announcements that can be accessed on the LuSE Stock Exchange News Service. Puma has released their half-year financial results. Bata has released their half-year financial results, and Madison has a change in directorate. The full announcements can be accessed on the Stockbrokers website at www.spz.com.zm. Buy and sell positions in the market. The following bids have been placed in the market should you wish to sell your shares. ZCCMIH 10,000 shares at 153 kwacha. Zamefa 5,227 shares at 53 kwacha, 45 ingwe. And CEC Africa 3,828 shares at 83 ingwe. The following offers are currently for sale on the market should you wish to make a purchase. Zanaco 2 million shares at 6 kwacha, 17 ingwe. Standard Chartered Bank 5 million shares at 2 kwacha, 65 ingwe. And CEC PLC 12 million shares at 25 kwacha, 82 ingwe. Please email trading@sbz.com.zm for the full list of currently available offers and bids.
Understanding the stock market. A brief guidance brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia Limited.
Today, we'll be looking at a few objectives of the Lusaka Stock Exchange. The LuSE opened on the 21st of February in the year 1994. Initially, it was constituted as a private non-profit making company owned by broker members of the exchange, with each member having a single share. You must note that Stockbrokers Zambia is one of the co-founders of the Lusaka Stock Exchange. In 2016, the LuSE converted to a public company. Let's take a look at a few of the objectives of the exchange. Firstly, it provides a source of cheaper, long-term capital for existing and new companies, thus encouraging investment and growth of the industry and commerce. Secondly, it encourages the international community to invest in Zambian business and industries, thus increasing sustainability, the pot of money available to business. It also provides an opportunity for the Zambian people to share in the success of private enterprise and the privatized parastatal companies. As you may know, once you're a shareholder in a company, you are a part owner of that company. Fourthly, to facilitate the privatization of state-owned companies as part of the economic reforms to liberalize the Zambian economy, promote private sector initiative, and create a free market system. Fifthly, to promote wealth creation through wide ownership of shares by Zambian citizens. It also provides an efficient, fair, orderly and transparent market for secondary trading in shares and other marketable securities. So this objective helps an investor to make an informed decision when they want to buy shares or sell off their shares. And lastly, it provides a liquid market for price discovery and price formation to support market determination, valuation of companies, so that investors can unlock value and realize their investments whenever required. So these objectives enable you investors to make informed decisions when you want to buy or sell your shares, as well as the aspect of liquidity. Liquidity helps you to convert your money to shares or your shares back to money. One of the major determinants of the share price on the stock market is supply and demand. So you will note that most of the shares are not fixed. The share prices fluctuate. Hence, you being knowledgeable about the market helps you make an informed decision. So thank you for tuning in. Please do give us a call and find out how you too can take part in the growth of the Zambian economy via the Lusaka Stock Exchange by buying or selling shares or government bonds. Have a successful investment week.
Stock market news brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia Limited.